In the previous episode, we introduced Microsoft Entra ID and explored the benefits of using it in a hybrid environment. In this episode, we will learn how to create a free Azure account, a requirement step for using Microsoft Entra ID to synchronize your on-premises Active Directory objects with the cloud. A free Azure account lets you access Microsoft Cloud services at no cost for a limited time. Microsoft also provides $200 in credit to use within the first 30 days, allowing you to experiment with services like virtual machines, databases, and AI tools by creating new resources. Plus free monthly amounts of 20 plus popular services for 12 months. For example, you will get 750 hours within the 12 months to run virtual machines. After the 12 months expire, your account remains active and you can use 65 plus always free services, which is not bad. The only requirement is to provide your credit card information. Microsoft guarantees no charges will be made to your card as long as you remain in free mode and do not switch to pay as you go. This step is necessary to verify your identity. To create a free Azure account, open a browser and enter the following URL: azure.microsoft.com. Then you have two choices: try Azure for free or pay as you go. As we want to create a free Azure account, we will choose try Azure for free. Then you need to open a session using your Microsoft account. So I'm going to choose my Microsoft account. In the first page, you need to accept the Microsoft agreement by checking this option here. I will uncheck this option here because I don't want to receive any other informations, tips, and offers from Microsoft. On the left, you can read what you will get with your free Microsoft Azure account. These features we have listed in the introduction. So I'm going to click Next. Here you need to enter your personal information, your country, your first name, last name, and email address, as well as your phone number. And here you need to solve a puzzle to prove that you are not a robot and you are a human. So I click Next and solve this puzzle. Here it is. Click Submit. Verification complete. I click Next. In the third step, you need to enter your payment information. As we said earlier, you will not get charged unless you switch to the pay-as-you-go mode. So enter your credit card information and click Sign Up to confirm your registration. After you are signing up, you can start using Azure services as Microsoft Entra ID, Kubernetes services, virtual machines, and more services. For example, you can follow your credit consumption by clicking on Cost Management and Billing. Here you can see that I didn't consume my credit yet, and the remaining credit is still $200. Here you can configure billing alerts. For example, you can set an amount, and if this amount is reached, you will get a notification sent to your email. This way you can avoid bad surprises. In the upcoming episode, we will start using Microsoft Entra ID and I will show you how to configure the synchronization with the on-premises Active Directory.